Children, okay, today we'll start. Last class we have done work. Now today we'll do power. Now power is the rate of doing work. Rate of doing work is called power. The rate of doing work means, so then power is equal to work done by time. Work done by time. Okay. Now there are two factors which is affecting what? Power. That is, number one is work done, second is power. Okay, work done on the body or by the body, whatever, the amount of work done by the source and the time taken by the source to do the same work. Now, as we know, work done is equal to, that is, I am writing here, P is equal to W by T. T is time. Okay. Also we know work done is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. Okay. So therefore power is equal to force into displacement by time. So this displacement by time is average velocity. That is average velocity. So here, since average velocity V is equal to S by T. So therefore power is equal to F into average velocity, force into average velocity. This is the other way to find out. Now next, very important, that is units of power. Units of power. Now power is work done by joule, unit of work done is, work done by time. So unit of work done is joule and unit of time is second. Okay. So then what happened? Then unit of power is joule per second and it is known as, in SI unit it is known as watt. So therefore 1 watt is known as watt, denoted by W, capital W. When you write it in full form, so small W-A-T-T, watt. So this one. So therefore 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. 1 watt equal to 1 joule per second. It means 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. Okay. Now the another unit, CGS unit. CGS, this is SI unit. This is SI. Now CGS unit is erg per second. Erg per second. There is another bigger unit is used, that is horsepower. This is very important, horsepower. HP. Motor and all we are purchasing. Okay, pump, motor, all this we are purchasing according to this unit. That is 1 HP motor, 2 HP motor. Okay. So 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Its value may vary from 746 to 750. Sometimes it is taken 750 also, but actual value generally it is equal to 746. We can change it into kilowatt divided by 1000, kilowatt. So 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt or 0.746 kilowatt. Now next is energy. Number 3 is energy. First it was work done, then power, then we are doing energy. So energy is the capacity to do work. Okay, the energy of a body is its capacity to do work. It means when a body doing work, so then its energy will decrease. When work done on the body, so then energy of the body will increase. It means what happened? Work done on the body, energy will increase. Work done by the body, so then what energy will decrease. Okay, so therefore work done and energy, work done will be transferred to energy, energy will be transferred to what? Work done. In this way, energy is also a scalar quantity. Energy is also a scalar quantity. Now, one thing we have not discussed about the power. Again we are doing, that is about time. Just say power is given W by T, we know. So therefore, if work done on the body is same, but the time taken is different, so then power will be different. Power will be different. Just one example I am giving you. One person lifting a load with time say T1. Another person is lifting the same load to same height or same displacement. Okay, he is taking time T2. If T2 is greater than T1, T2 is greater than T1, so then work done by the first person will be greater than what? The second person. This is more, this one is less. So more time taken means what happened? Less power. It means what? P1 is greater than P2. P1 is greater than P2. Now, if here it is, say, T1 is equal to 1 second, here T2 is equal to, we are taking 2 seconds. Then what happened? Here, the P1 is equal to twice power than P2. Okay, P1 equal to 2 into P2, double power of P2. Now, energy. Energy is what? Capacity to work. Capacity of doing work, capacity to do work. Okay, now units of energy. Again, SI unit is, again it is joule. CGS unit is, it is erg. Also we know 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. In work done we have done. In case of unit of work done we have done. Now there are some bigger unit. Bigger unit is watt hour. That is watt hour, kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. That is small k, capital W, kilowatt hour, kWh. So these are bigger unit. Now, so 1 watt hour is equal to, okay, here as we know 1 watt is equal to 1 joule by 1 second. So therefore 1 joule is equal to 1 watt into 1 watt second. Is it? This one you keep in mind. Power into time. Energy is equal to power into time, or work done is equal to power into time. So here also power into time. Time is bigger one. Here both are bigger one, kilowatt as well as hour. So therefore 1 watt hour is equal to 1 watt into how much? 1 watt is equal to joule second, joule per second, into how much? 3600 second. So that is equal to 3600 joule. 60 into 60. Next is, okay, kilowatt, kilojoule also you can write. Second one is kilowatt hour. Again kilowatt, so this is 1000 watt into 3600 second. 1000 watt means 1000 joule per second into 3600 second. So that is equal to 3612345 joule. This may be written as 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule, or 3.6 into 10 to the power 3 kilojoule. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to